Hey guys, it's Jana, and today Emma got some packages from our favorite store, Amazon. She has been saving up her money from birthdays and Christmas and chores and all that good stuff. So, anyway, so she ordered some things on Amazon. There's 4 boxes here, so she wanted to do an opening for you guys. And she did not tell Daddy or Quinny what she got, so it's a surprise for them too. So I think she's really excited to open it. Are you ready to open it, Emma? Okay, she's gonna open. What is it?
Fruit cart! Fruit cart Calico Critter. I think it's something.
It is something.
It's not completely. We got one thing, fruit cart. Oh, it even has a sign. Oh, a grocery store. It includes over 100 pieces.
Oh, good.
Oh my God.
You know. At the bottom, it actually shows everything. See? Right there. Shows everything.
All right, show them.
Yeah. The supermarket. This is very hard. It says Calico Critters. Whoa! Whoa!
Oh my.
Got the toy store. You got the school bus. A school bus. A playground. Look.
Oh, jeez.
School bus. Playground and a toy shop. Oh, at the license plate says
Let me see,
ABC
Emma.
1, 2, 3. Toy shop. Can I open the last one? Let me open the last one. Okay. Time to. Treehouse school.
Oh my gosh. You
Let me see. Yeah, I got it.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
It's a country school, but I'm also gonna call it Berry Grove School.
Next.
A fruit cart.
Next.
A pirate ship.
Playground thing.
Playground thing. School bus. Candy shop.
Next.
Candy car. Toy shop. Next. And a grocery store.
Also known as a supermarket.
Yeah.
This is so cool.
Yeah, let's open one.
Man, well, this is so awesome.
It sure is.
Dad, what do you think I spent on this?
$200.
$500.
No, I only spent $200 something.
Oh.
Okay, hang on. Yeah.
Okay. I don't care about this double box.
Wow, so cool.
Wanna rip it open? Candy.
Candy cart.
Candy cart. All this other
Accessories.
goodness. All this other candy.
So this is. Does this come with a teacher?
Hard candies.
Oh, on the side
A
it shows everything.
stand.
Oh no, Emma, it does not come with backpacks.
Oh man.
It looks like you gotta connect them.
And little
Backpack.
baskets for the hard candies. Of course, the wagon.
This is so cool.
Lollipops. And
Lolly.
normal lollipops? Not normal lollipops. That's it. Okay, what else do I get? This one.
The fruit cart.
Let's break this one open.
You need fruit. I want to open up this.
Everyone gets hydrated by this thing.
Can I open up the school, Emma?
No.
Please?
You can open up the... What in the world just happened?
The play quarter. You know, that toy shop looks more like a nursery.
I'm opening all of it.
Yeah, let her open, Quinn.
A scale.
I'll bring these to the big room. Is that where we're going to be playing for a little? Or upstairs?
Orange.
I'll bring them upstairs.
Green stuff.
Green stuff. What do you got? Oh,
Red.
those pears and a cantaloupe.
Red stuff. Bananas and lemons. And the cart.
Come on, give me that. Can I have the cart?
I think it came
It
with...
connects. Look.
Yeah, they're right here.
Look. Da-da-da-da. It connects.
Then let me connect. I want to connect between. I want to decorate the candy shop.
No, honey, let's move on. Let's
Yeah.
keep all the pieces together. So this is the wagon.
And then we decorate upstairs.
Time to do playground.
Ooh, the
I'll bring these all
playground.
upstairs, okay?
No, keep them down here. We're gonna
Why?
be playing down here for a while.
Here.
But where?
At the pool table.
Okay. I'll bring them all to the pool table. Okay?
This playground looks like I'll have to build it.
Oh.
Oh, I won't. Here it is. I'll have to build a couple parts.
Ooh.
Secret hatches.
Oh, and here's all the bits and pieces in one nice bag. Let's keep that all together so we don't miss it. Very cool.
Time for the school bus.
Ooh.
Man, I like that school bus.
This school bus actually looks very big.
Oh, look at that.
Stickers.
Oh, look at
Stickers.
this. So much secret hatches.
Other stuff. Seats.
Oh, the
And
seat.
this bus is ginormous.
And a ginormous bus.
This thing is ginormous.
Very cool.
Very cool. Wait. Quinn, come here. It's really cool. Press this lever. Doors open.
Oh, just like in the Haley video.
No,
Okay,
it's still
this
recording.
belongs to the ship. This belongs to the...
Time for the toy shop.
Here, and I have the knife.
I know, but I just kind of want to pull it.
Yeah, this is so awesome.
Emma.
And
I know, I want to ruin the boxes.
I thought we want to keep the boxes so we can
Yeah.
see what they all come with.
Put them under the couch and
Okay.
okay, lots of stickers. Toys.
Oh my gosh. Because what is this?
The toy shop.
This is what?
The
Oh,
toy
the
shop.
toy shop. That
More
makes sense. So there's toys.
More toys.
Oh boy, more toys.
And now, last but not least,
No, no, I still need to open the grocery store.
oh yeah. Oh. You almost hit me there.
Best thing, the store.
Best thing ever.
Here is the store. That's the house. Okay, never mind. Where in the world did the grocery store go?
It's behind Mama's butt.
Wait, what it is? Oh.
Yeah, bring it in.
Wait, does it come with a shopping cart?
I don't know.
I think it does. What?
At the back it says, I love country tree school.
Here,
Look.
can I
Look
cut it
at it.
open for you?
Emma, look. I love country tree school. I thought it said I love Berry Grove School, but no, I guess it's different.
Look at all that food that it comes
Hey,
with.
I'm gonna make myself useful and decorate the bus, okay?
Okay.
Really?
No.
Really?
No, I'm decorating
It's
it.
hers, baby.
I
She
need the stickers,
paid for it
No.
all. Here, there's a piece here.
but I don't know where they all go.
I do, and you're not gonna do it.
I do.
There's all the food. I want to open
No,
this
just let
box.
her do it, Quinny. It is her. They're hers.
I want to open this box. Oh my goodness.
I'm just
Here,
collecting
hang
all
on.
the
This might
items.
be a
and
lot of
bringing
little
them to
things.
the
Is there a lot of little things? Let's keep the box nice for now.
Is that the supermarket?
Yeah.
Oh, you can put the other stuff on top of it. Whoa, that's a lot of toys.
Oh my goodness.
What?
Look at all this stuff.
Oh!
That's what a supermarket needs.
Oh, that junk. What is this for? Oh.
And here's our shop.
Oh, there's a shopping cart.
Here is your shop. And it has a window. I like that window part very much. And stickers. Last. Quinn, you want to see me open the school?
No. Yes.
Time to
Here, bring it over here, Emma.
I'll bring all this stuff over to the big room. Man, this is so amazing.
So what are we gonna do? How are we gonna store all this stuff, Emma?
What do you mean, how are we going to store all this stuff?
You don't have enough room?
Build another table as well.
Oh.
The school. And a big
Here, let me see, let me
box
see. We gotta
of
show.
stuff. Okay, the school. And a big box of stuff.
You need absolutely awesome stuff.
Yeah.
And the stickers.
Stickers.
Let me see. Oh, you got it?
No. No. What do I do? 'Cause I don't. Okay, thanks. I can choose layout.
Oh, all the desks and chairs.
Let's take this stuff.
All right.
Let's take all this stuff and put it in this big box.
Why?
We're gonna take it to the big room.
Oh, it's like two things. Just put them in school.
Okay.
How stuff? Kitty donuts, pretzels. Wow, this is so awesome. Hey,
Bye.
Bye.
I'm gonna go play
Here,
myself.
something fell.
I'm gonna go play my butt off.
All right, guys, that was Emma's first Amazon haul. Are you so happy?
now all we need to do is bring these upstairs and play.
That's it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time.
Bye.